Okay, I got my trailer spring. It's gonna go on the front. Still waiting on the hangers to come in for that. Got my brake kit from Speedway. The only problem is, instead of sending me a left and a right caliper, they sent me 2 left calipers. So, first time I ever had a problem like that for Speedway, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'm gonna send one back, get them to fix it, or just go ahead and buy one for the right. I'm gonna have to find out which is the cheapest. So that's that. Other than that, I got everything. Everything looks good except for that problem. Both calipers exactly alike. Not acceptable. Yep, Speedway done it. First time they done them, made a mistake, but they did this time. Okay, so anyway, I've been busy. I'm trying to buy some more property adjacent to mine. I've been kind of tied up. Anyway, oh yeah, I got 4 of them wheels. The bearings you pull it didn't have them because they take all their wheels and weld up a mount to hold the cars up off the ground. The only thing they got there is old aluminum wheels and late model wheels. So, but I found another yard that had 4 of these. This is early Crown Victoria 15-inch wheels. So I got 4 of them, and a couple of them got decent tires I'm gonna use on the front until I could get the car going, and I put new tires on the front. So now what I'm gonna do now is break down this axle. I gotta get it all the way down, get all the hubs, the spindles, everything off of it. So, yep, gonna do that now. Okay, just talked to Speedway, and nice people, real nice people. Customer service, she said, we're gonna send you a label, and all you gotta do is put it in a box and bring UPS in the back, we'll send you the right one. And I said, well, I live 30 miles from a UPS store. I said, how much does it cost to buy one outright? And she said, well, $30-something, but we'll let you have it for like $24 and pay the shipping. And when we send it, I'll send the label, and you could, while a UPS man is there, just tear the label off, put it in that box, send the other one back, and you'll get your money back. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, took me a couple hours, but I got it tore down finally. Hey, Bo! What, Red? This shop floor look clean enough for you? Yeah, looks good. Looks good. You get good with that broom, ain't you, Red? Yep, get good with this here broom. I really appreciate you, Red. You've done a good job. Yeah, I'm just glad to be alive.